I'll show you how you can fix your Logitech G435 not having audio. First off, the most simplest solution is that you can go to your soundboard down here, and then you want to go to Open Volume Mixer. On Volume Mixer, on the output device, you want to make sure that your headphones are selected. Make sure that works. Now, if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and go to Settings, back to Settings, and then on this settings, you want to go to Windows Update. Oh, well, sure you're on the latest update because sometimes update could mess with your drivers. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and go to the search bar down here, and then you want to go ahead and go to Device Manager like this. On Device Manager, you'll see that there's going to be a screen that looks like this. Now you're going to update two drivers. You're going to update the audio inputs and outputs driver. So on here, you want to go ahead and find your audio output driver. So for example, the speakers, for example, you want to go ahead and right click and then update driver. You can tap on search automatically for drivers. If you have the best driver already, then you'll say the best driver for your device are already installed. If you can't find it here, you want to go ahead and find the G25 here, right? The next one you want to find is at Bluetooth. And then on Bluetooth, you want to go ahead and find your headphones. And then on your headphones, for example, let's just pretend this is my headphones. Right click, update driver again, search automatically for drivers. And then if the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go.